Hello, everyone. Editing your own work can feel like trying to see your own face without a mirror. Today, we'll teach you the techniques to become your own best editor, refining your work until it shines. Understand the importance of self-editing in the writing process. Learn practical self-editing techniques to enhance your writing. Discover common pitfalls to avoid during self-editing. Explore tools and resources that can assist in the self-editing process. The importance of self-editing. Self-editing is an essential step in the writing process. It allows you to refine your ideas, ensure that your thoughts are clearly and effectively communicated, improve readability, make your writing more engaging and easier to understand, correct errors, identify and fix grammatical and punctuation mistakes, enhance style, polish your writing style to better reflect your voice and tone. Example: famous authors like Ernest Hemingway were known for their thorough self-editing processes. Hemingway famously rewrote the ending to A Farewell to Arms 39 times to get the words just right. Practical self-editing techniques. Here are some effective self-editing techniques to help you improve your writing. Take a break. After finishing your draft, take a break before you start editing. This helps you return to your work with fresh eyes and a new perspective. Read aloud. Reading your work aloud can help you catch awkward phrasing and repetitive structures that may not be obvious when reading silently. Check for clarity and coherence. Ensure that each sentence and paragraph logically follows the previous one. Look for places where your argument or narrative might be confusing and clarify as needed. Eliminate redundancies. Remove unnecessary words or sentences that do not add value to your writing. Concise writing is more powerful and easier to read. Focus on sentence variety. Vary your sentence structure to maintain reader interest. Mix short, impactful sentences with longer, more detailed ones. Use strong verbs and nouns. Replace weak verbs and nouns with stronger, more descriptive ones. This makes your writing more vivid and engaging. Pay attention to pacing. Ensure that your narrative flows smoothly. Balance action, dialogue, and description to maintain a steady pace. Example: instead of writing, she quickly ran to the store. Write, she sprinted to the store. The latter is more concise and dynamic. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. While self-editing, be mindful of these common pitfalls. Over-editing. Be careful not to edit your work too many times. This can lead to losing your original voice and overcomplicating your writing. Ignoring big picture issues. Don't get stuck on minor details before addressing major issues like plot holes, character development, and overall structure. Being too attached to your words. Be willing to cut out parts of your writing that don't serve the story or argument, even if you're fond of them. Relying solely on spell check. Automated tools can miss context-specific errors and homophones. Use them as a first step, but always review your work manually. Example: Stephen King, a prolific author, initially wrote a much longer version of The Stand. After feedback from his editor, he cut hundreds of pages to improve the story's flow and impact, demonstrating the power of revision even for seasoned writers. Line editing and copy editing. Understanding the different levels of editing can help you focus your efforts more effectively. Line editing focuses on improving the style and flow of your writing. This involves refining sentences and ensuring that the writing is clear and engaging. Example: changing "the man quickly ran to the store" to "the man sprinted to the store" for more concise and vivid imagery. Copy editing focuses on correcting grammatical and punctuation. It also ensures consistency in style and formatting. Example: correcting "it's a beautiful day" to "it's a beautiful day." Tools and resources for self-editing. Several tools and resources can assist in the self-editing process. Grammarly, an AI-powered tool that helps with grammar, punctuation, and style. Hemingway Editor, highlights complex sentences, passive voice, and readability issues. ProWriting Aid, offers in-depth reports on grammar, style, and consistency. Thesaurus.com, helps you find stronger, more precise words. Beta Readers, while not a tool, having friends or colleagues read your work can provide valuable feedback from a fresh perspective. Example: many writers use ProWriting Aid for its comprehensive editing reports, which help identify stylistic and grammatical issues that might not be immediately obvious. Assignment: choose a piece of your writing and apply the self-editing techniques we discussed today. Focus on clarity and coherence. Use at least one editing tool to assist you in the process. Recommended reading: to further refine your self-editing skills, I recommend reading The Elements of Style by Strunk and White. It offers timeless advice on writing with clarity and precision. Closing thought: proficiency at self-editing is a valuable skill that will improve your writing. Learning to identify and correct common mistakes and utilizing tools and resources effectively can transform your drafts into polished pieces. Self-editing is the secret ingredient that transforms your writing from good to great. Happy editing, and may your words always shine brightly.